Hey guys, welcome to my house tour. My name is Christy. If you're new, I have 6 kiddos and I have finally, because I've gained so much focus with my household plan of how I run things, I'm now mentally able to concentrate on things that I really want to do for myself and financial future. So we are in my very first investment home. It is a townhouse in Las Vegas, Nevada. It is 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and there is a loft slash office. Well, I think it would be a cute office. I'm going to be renting out this townhouse, and like I said, it's my very first investment property. I'm 41 years old. It's about time we get this money cracking. Okay, so here's my house tour. I guess we should start at the front door. Oh, hello, I didn't know you were coming. Just kidding, I invited you here. We are now inside. This is the living room, and it only had white walls. I'm echoing because there's no furniture in here. It only had white walls. I put in accent walls. Another one upstairs as well. I figured I didn't want this house to be like a cookie cutter house because it is a townhouse. They're all very similar in a row, so I wanted it to be different. It is a slightly different neutral color than the walls, and you'll see why when I turn the camera around to show you the kitchen. I was lucky enough to get a quarter lot. I'll show you the outside. And this is the kitchen. A pretty good size island. I did put in these pendant lighting. I forgot to get light bulbs, but these were really, really cheap. They were like 75 bucks or maybe 80 bucks on Amazon. I wanted to add that because I feel like it makes it a little bit more custom in here. Confession, I am not a big fan of the cabinet colors. It's like a butterscotch taupe situation. I'm not a huge fan of it. It will do for a rental property. It actually came with all the appliances, which was, it made it really easy for me because I would have had to buy all appliances as a landlord. So this house came with it. This fridge is nice. It's gas. It has this nice little griddle on it, and it also has a working brand new microwave. There's a big pantry here. I'm right here, babe. Come downstairs. There's a window in the pantry, which is really nice. I thought about putting like a pantry door here. I may still do that later. I'm thinking about it. We'll have to check the budget. The drawers are all slow closing drawers. I decided to add a backsplash to the kitchen to kind of spice it up a little bit, but still be neutral. And this is like a white, wavy, really affordable tiles. Tiling was a lot faster and cheaper than buying like the whole sheet, according to my contractor. I'm hoping that these like little touches that I brought into the home, like the couple accent walls, the tile backsplash in the kitchen, I put in fans in almost every single room with lights, the pendant lighting, and then I also did seal the floors because it has brand new tile floors and the grout is white, so I wanted to make sure that I sealed it so it's for easy cleanup and to stay as new and fresh as long as possible. This is a half bath downstairs. A little bit, I feel like I should have maybe done tile halfway up the wall. I don't know. What do you guys think? What should I do in here? Should I put some shelving? There is a closet in here that is like the smallest closet known to mankind, but I guess you can fit a vacuum in here. This door goes to the garage. Okay, we'll go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Let's show them upstairs. Come on, upstairs. In the loft, this could be an office or maybe a little second living room for kids. There's a laundry room here. It came with a brand new washer and dryer, and I'm thinking about adding shelving in here, but probably later after someone moves in. Okay, right next to the laundry room is a bathroom. Full bath, and this is gonna be used. Thank you. Yeah, okay, you want some sanitizer? Okay, rub it together, okay. And then there's 2 bedrooms over here that this bathroom belongs to, or these people in the bedroom will use this bathroom. Like, I think they call it like a Juliet balcony here. Really cute little balcony here. But look, this is a perfect view of the little pocket park. This home was brand new. It was just built, so they're building more right here. Put in a bunch of fans in every room. Other side of the hall from the 2 bedrooms is the master. The master closet. This is the master bath. I did another accent wall up here that's a completely different style or design, whatever you call it. I think it'll look really pretty with some curtains in here. Same colors downstairs because I just feel like neutral will work best depending on the style of the renter. It'll go with everything. Ready to go outside? Come on, let's go outside. Here's the outside of the house. Like I said, it is a corner unit, so there's plenty of like little front yard space. It is in an HOA community, so they're really strict on planting things. And for a townhouse, I think it has a really good size driveway. Normally, townhouses or condos have like tiny little driveways that I don't even know why they're made. Maybe they're just for show. You can't even fit one car on it. It is also in a beautiful master planned community. This is exactly the type of community that like my husband and I, when we were younger, when we just had a couple kids, this is the community that we wanted to live in. When we came from California, this is exactly what we would want. So I'm hoping to attract like a young family looking for a new community to raise their kids in. That's the ideal person I would like for this property. All right, that is it. Thank you for watching my tour of my very first investment property. It is in beautiful Las Vegas, and I can't wait to share hopefully another one with you in the next year or so. Hopefully that is the goal if I stay on track and stay focused. Please subscribe if you want to see my regular scheduled content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.